If AI is not saving you time, you may be using it wrong. Most people open ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini and ask random questions. That is fine, but the real value comes when you use AI for repeatable workflows. A workflow is something you do again and again. Emails, meetings, planning, content, research, notes, and more. If AI helps with those tasks, it can save you real time every day. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple AI workflows that can save you around 1 hour a day. Welcome back to AI Alpha by Mario, where I explain simple AI tools and workflows that help you save time, save money, and make more out of your day with AI. Workflow number 1: summarize long emails and messages. Instead of reading a long email thread from top to bottom, paste it into AI and ask, summarize this conversation. Tell me the main points, decisions, action items, and what I need to reply. This is useful for email, Slack, client conversations, or long group chats. The important part is asking for action items. A summary is helpful, but a summary plus next steps is much better. Workflow number 2: turn messy notes into tasks. A lot of people take notes, but the notes never become action. You can use AI to fix that. Paste your notes and ask, turn these messy notes into a clear task list. Group them by project, add priorities, and mark anything that needs a deadline. This works for meeting notes, personal notes, business ideas, voice notes, and planning sessions. You can also ask, what are the most important things I should do first? That turns information into action. Workflow number 3: prepare for meetings faster. Before a call, give AI the context. For example, prepare me for a client call. Here are my notes. Summarize the situation, list possible questions, identify risks, and suggest a simple agenda. This can save a lot of time. Instead of joining calls unprepared, you get a quick briefing. This works for sales calls, client calls, interviews, team meetings, and coaching sessions. Workflow number 4: create content ideas from one topic. If you are a creator or business owner, AI can help you avoid starting from zero. Use this prompt. Give me 10 content ideas about this topic. For each one, include the hook, the main point, and why the viewer should care. You can use this for YouTube videos, TikToks, LinkedIn posts, emails, or Instagram captions. The key is to tell AI your audience. For example, my audience is beginners who want to use AI to save time and make money. That gives you a better idea than a generic prompt. Workflow number 5: do a daily or weekly review. This is simple but powerful. At the end of the day, paste what you worked on and ask, review my day. What did I finish? What is still open? What should I do tomorrow? Or at the end of the week, review my week, identify wins, unfinished tasks, repeated problems, and the top priorities for next week. This helps you stay organized. AI becomes a thinking assistant, not just a writing tool. Now, here's the practical way to use these workflows. Do not try all 5 at once. Pick one, use it every day for a week. If it saves time, keep it. If it does not, improve the prompt or drop it. AI should make your work lighter, not create more work. Also, be careful with private information. Do not paste sensitive client data, passwords, financial details, or confidential documents unless you understand the tool's privacy settings. For normal notes, summaries, planning, and drafts, these workflows are easy to start with. The big idea is this: AI saves time when you give it repeated jobs, not random questions. Repeated jobs. Summarize this, organize this, prepare me, create ideas, review my week. That is how AI becomes useful in real life. If this helped, subscribe to AI Alpha by Mario for simple AI workflows and more. Leave a comment with which workflow you would use first: emails, notes, meetings, content, or weekly review. I'll use the best comments for future videos. And if you want to go deeper on all of this, I run a community called AI University. Link is in the description and the pinned comment. See you next time.